Here, let me see that coat. Isn't that cool? Oh, now that's pretty damn badass.
So it's just like your bike. You basically just switch that on. Start right up. And I'll tell you about the cutout. So that's what it sounds like right now.
That's freaking cool.
We're talking about putting the drag slicks on. That's a drag racing wheel because you don't need a great big wheel to turn. It's a little bit of an inch wheel. That's all you need. So. Yeah, absolutely, get in there.
Huh? You built all that, didn't you?
Oh yeah. Just something. When I bought it, didn't have any door cards. So I just made that a card wood and just bought a couple decks of cards and stuck them in there. And then you got all race stickers up above you.
That's freaking cool, man. Huh?
What is this?
That's a shifter. Yeah. I want to see that.
I'm a disc jockey, so that's an old Shure microphone like Elvis used to use.
Yeah, we'll be in
That's right here. That's cool, man. I'm sorry, but that's cool as heck.
But literally, I was talking about you just do whatever you want. You can't see. You can't see because of all the tape I put on. But that was just a regular set of Hedman headers. And I literally took a Sawzall while it was right on the engine, just went zzz, right down it, welded those back on, took them off, made sure they're welded tight, and then I welded the bottom on that so it go right on out. But it's just, you know.
How fast do you have it?
I've got it up to about 90 maybe.
It's not about fast.
Yeah, this one's not about how fast you can go.
These are the original.
So that's cool, man. That right there is original right there. I've never seen nothing like that, Harley tank like that. That's badass.
Well, it's one of those things. You use what you got. And
Yeah.
I didn't really have a lot of room. I was gonna mount it in the in the glove box, and I thought, man, there ain't gonna be room enough for all that. So I started thinking about something I could put down there, and I had I had one of those just laying around, and I thought, shit, I'll cut it out, and you know, I've changed it 2 or 3 times, but I got it finally to where I needed it, and it works just fine.
Dude, it's awesome. It's awesome.
Get the old cab will light up red, and then I've got a white undercar kit, and I can turn that on, it'll blink and strobe and all that shit.
That's freaking bad. I love it, dude.
Thank you, I appreciate it. It's fun.
Where's your clutch?
Don't have a clutch, it's automatic. You just put your finger on that. And then drive it, just like
That's cool.
Most of the old people, they do stuff like this. They don't really put a lot of stereo in it. Well, I'm a disc jockey, so you gotta have decent sound.
Exactly.
It's got a sub. The knob down in the bottom in the middle. That's your sub knob. I can turn the sub way up if you want to or whatever. That's actually fun to jump out of the shape.
Is that in the can?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
See, it looks like an Mustang, but it's just a.
What's this?
That's your subwoofer.
I thought that was actual nice.
Well, I've actually got 2 boxes. That's why I just changed the bed. I'm in the process of fixing this. I got 2 boxes that'll come up to about here. I'm going to put a box on each side, and I'm going to use that box for my, you know, jumper cables and all the stuff I need. And then I'm going to put the NOS bottle on this side.
There you go.
Tailgate open?
Yeah. Yeah, I got it zip tied now because I just cut this out and it's a little bit too long right here in the middle. I need to trim it down a little bit and cut it up some. But
It's awesome, man.
and we just did the fenders. This was straight flat, and when I bought this, when I bought the tire, I thought I could just put spacers on it and pop it out further, and it was still going to rub in the middle. So all this is just a fender from Tractor Supply. One
Oh, really?
Cut it in half, cut the inside out, plug it in. That's all it is. Nice.
Dude, that's awesome.